कोई alternative pathways हैं for
cultural and very rich in international student community. So
what can we do to make our application very strong?
want in the city to be your home away from home.
Is University of Liverpool catering to the jobs of the future?
We also accept other tests.
Hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Shabakht and I'm your host for the Student Experience podcast. Today we have Manahila Umar with us, who's the recruitment manager for University of Liverpool. Assalamu alaikum Manahila, how are you?
Walaikum assalam, Shabakht. I'm good. How are you? Thank you for the wonderful opportunity. I'm very excited to be here.
No worries. We are very excited to have you here on this podcast. Acha, I wanted to know a little bit about you. How did you get into being a recruitment officer? आपने मतलब ऐसा कुछ जो आपकी academic qualifications हुई या फिर work experience था क्या हुआ that led you up to this post?
So my academic qualifications don't very much go in sync with the role that I'm in. It was all very accidental, but it was a very good accident because I'm very happy to be doing what I'm doing.
Okay, that's amazing. अच्छा, so when we talk about like UK की universities, अगर आप specifically बात करें Russell Group की universities, तो Liverpool is ranked very high in that regard, ठीक है? तो Russell Group universities जो usually होती हैं, हम उनको consider करते हैं कि oh my god, can't go in there, you know, उसकी I would say the merit that you need is extremely high. लेकिन अगर कोई बंदा वो ग्रेड्स ले भी आए या फिर वो एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन उसके पास हो इन देयर हाई स्कूल क्या कहते हैं जो ग्रेड्स हैं, तो और क्या चीज़ें हैं दैट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लिवरपूल इज स्पेसिफिकली लुकिंग फॉर इन इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम ग्रेड्स?
So I'm not gonna lie, जो आपका academic grade है, that is the primary determinant that we look for जब हम एक application को देखते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
But of course beyond that, we love students who are who possess qualities like curiosity, critical thinking, leadership. तो अगर आपने कभी भी you've led a project or if you've volunteered or if you've created something of your own in your community, those are all some of the factors that would really make you stand out in a pool of applications. So obviously students who are proactive with their extracurriculars and basically who bring more to the table than just good grades.
Absolutely, and I feel like एक holistic approach या holistic application बहुत ज़्यादा stand out करती है than you know in comparison to somebody जिसके पास सिर्फ अच्छे grades हैं, and that is very like easily showcased on your profile and your I think personal statement essay as well.
Yes.
तो अगर हम बात करें one thing that I've noticed is कि you know being in a position where obviously मैं भी एक time पे apply करी थी to like a lot of universities, तो one thing that I had noticed in undergraduate applications वो ये था कि Russell Group के नाम से ना I feel like there's just a lot of pressure on you financially as well, क्योंकि Russell Group universities charge a lot more than just normal UK universities. तो as a Pakistani or for Pakistani students, कोई financing की option in terms of scholarships या grants possible है at University of Liverpool?
Yes, so we do recognize that international education does break your bank. It's not very easy, especially coming from an economy like ours. So we do offer scholarships, of course, for undergrad as well as postgrad. हमारे पास merit-based scholarships भी हैं, हमारे पास country-specific scholarships भी हैं. So, for example, any student coming from Pakistan who is bearing the nationality of Pakistani will automatically get it. Which also brings me to the point कि हमारी scholarships जो हैं most of them are automatic. तो जब admissions team देखती है कि एक student is eligible for one, so they automatically usually get it and they don't have to separately apply for it. For postgrad specifically हमारे पास हमारी global advancement scholarships हैं, तो वो basically high achieving students from Pakistan उनको cater करने के लिए, उनको financially support करने के लिए है. But specifically for business students हमारा जो University of Liverpool Management School Excellence Scholarship है, that offers a 50% scholarship to all students that are basically meeting the eligibility criteria. So
And
that is a good one.
That is definitely one of the highest in the UK
It
because
is.
50% is not something that you can easily see किसी भी UK university में.
Yes,
तो
and also I'm so throughout my time at Liverpool, I've been so pleasantly surprised because there've been so many success stories that I've gotten to hear from people and word of mouth. So it's not one of those scholarships that are just there for show.
yeah,
They
they actually help
get
people.
it. Yes, it actually.
Yeah. So basically these scholarships, are they let's say program specific या फिर ये despite your program or whatever you're studying आपको मिल जाती है based on your merit and extracurriculars?
Yes, so for instance, the management school one that I mentioned, to all students that are applying to any program that falls business and management school will get that one.
Yeah.
And the other one, global advancement, आप किसी भी walk of life से, किसी भी course background से आ रहे हो, if you're meeting the criteria and if you are an outstanding student, you will get it.
Okay, that's amazing. Acha, so my next question is ke when you're applying to a school that is of course abroad, away from your home, we usually don't get to hear from universities themselves कि हमने क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना, कि क्या सही चीज़ें एप्लीकेशन में करनी है और किस तरह उसको करना है, राइट? तो एप्लीकेशन में a student can make a lot of mistakes without guidance, and I'm sure there are counselors which do guide you, but वो एक guidance जो आपको यूनिवर्सिटी से मिलती है, that's different. So of course as a university representative, what do you think makes an application stand out? किस तरीके से, और अगर हम country specific बात करें पाकिस्तान के हिसाब से, what can we do to make our application very strong?
That's a very good question, because there's one common mistake that I very commonly see students making, and that is underestimating the importance of a strong personal statement. So students usually look at it as a formality कि ये it's just another document that we have to submit, but it's really not. It's आपका ये chance है to showcase आपकी जो true potential है and your motivation for the program to the university. So getting someone else to write it कि कोई अच्छा दोस्त जिसकी अच्छी इंग्लिश है वो लिखते हैं या ChatGPT करते हैं, that's not the way to go. It's really important कि you put it in, you write it in your own words,
Yeah.
and you actually put your heart and soul into it, so we know exactly what you're bringing to the table and what you're, how passionate you are about the subject. So one would be that. Another would be to plan well ahead in advance, because I see a lot of students missing deadlines and not preparing जो उनकी important required documents हैं
बिल्कुल.
in time. For example, आपके reference letters हैं, आपका English proficiency test results वगैरह हैं. तो I would say plan ahead in time. Triple check your requirements, जो भी आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से requirements, and also feel free to get in touch with the admissions team जहाँ पे भी you feel stuck, because we're here to support you.
बिल्कुल. Okay, so like just coming back to personal statement वाली जो आपने बात की है, I wanted to know कि how is that personal statement checked? Like, do we also have to give a credibility interview for University of Liverpool, or is that something that students are exempted from?
So we don't, that's not usually the course of action that we follow. हमारा जो admission process है उसमें that's not a requirement, but कुछ exceptional cases में या कुछ इस तरह के schools या programs हैं जिनके लिए we need to
yeah.
see
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा student के interpersonal skills etc. तो उसमें we do, but it's only for a few cases.
ठीक है, so it's not something we can regularly
No,
expect.
that's not a
ठीक है.
general requirement.
ठीक है, that's great. So the thing is, एक और चीज़ है जिससे बहुत students घबराते हैं, and that is of course IELTS. Now I don't know what the reasoning behind that is or the rationale, but I can still understand because it's something that makes people nervous.
Yes.
So how does University of Liverpool cater to that nervousness or anxiety? Like अगर आप IELTS ना दो, कोई alternative pathways हैं for students to take or look into?
Yes, you're very right. IELTS can be a bit stressful for the students. It can also be a bit more expensive than the other alternative options.
True.
So students tend to try to avoid जितना हो सके उसको. So yes, we do offer pre-sessional English courses that prepare students, that help them build academic English skills उनकी degree start होने से पहले. उसके अलावा IELTS के alternatively we also accept other tests. We are accepting PTE, language cert. हम TOEFL भी accept करते हैं. In fact हम Duolingo भी accept करते हैं.
Okay, that's
Yes.
that's very nice because I don't see a lot of universities
Yes.
accepting Duolingo. क्योंकि I feel like that's just a mode of learning a language and not having to,
Yeah.
accept it as a language certificate. So basically, I want to know. We talk a lot about UK universities. We talk a lot about UK की job market, right? University of Liverpool is definitely one of the, I feel like, main cities of the UK, and वहाँ job demand definitely ज़्यादा है than in towns and small cities. So in your opinion, or how does the university view specific jobs or specific programs as being the highest in demand? जैसे अगर कोई business हो गया, architecture हो गया, तो Liverpool in specific क्या expect करती है? What is the highest, what is the highest आपका जो program है beneficial for students?
So you're right, the industry is ever evolving. Or Liverpool itself is a port city, which naturally makes it a city that is rich in employability opportunities, etc. But in terms of the ever evolving industrial requirements, I would say कि business में data science seems to be booming and seems to be in high demand. Artificial intelligence in terms of engineering, renewable energy and sustainability courses related to that. Also digital marketing, international business, and in health, I would say pharmacy, and very happy to also report biomedical sciences. I'm really glad to see students diverting
Yeah.
from the typical MBBS route
Bilkul.
because that's not the way to go anymore. So all of this, but then again, us at Liverpool, हम लोग we're constantly reviewing and updating our course list as well as our course content ताकि वो it is-
Align करे,
align
बिल्कुल।
करे with the industry demands.
बिल्कुल। और आपने इससे बात की भी डेटा साइंस की एंड एआई की। अब ऑब्वियसली वी लिव इन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर टेक्नोलॉजी इज रैपिडली इवॉल्विंग, राइट? और वो चीज़ नज़र आती है इन एवरी इंस्टीट्यूशन, इन एवरी जॉब एज वेल. So is University of Liverpool catering to the jobs of the future by preparing their students side by side to what AI or data science should be looking like?
Yes, Liverpool is always ahead of the curve, and I mean it when I say it. So, हमने in terms of introducing cutting edge modules in AI, in cybersecurity, in machine learning, we've done all of that. Fintech, for example.
Yeah.
On top of that, we also encourage interdisciplinary learning. So, for example, एक जो business student है, he's also encouraged to take up courses in data science, for example, ताकि उनके skills future proof हो सके. आपने careers और उसकी बात की, तो our careers and employability service team is award winning, and it is award winning for a reason because it's very hands on with the kind of support it offers to the student, be it उनकी resume को review करने, be it
Job search, probably.
internship
Yeah.
opportunities, and also in organizing networking, employer networking events for them ताकि they know exactly what the industry is looking for, ताकि they work on building up those exact skills.
Right. और आपने अभी career services की बात की तो मुझे उससे याद आया कि a lot of universities also offer like placements in their postgraduate education. So is Liverpool also doing that for their students?
Yes, a lot of our courses they come with the year in industry option. So if a student opts for that, तो उसमें एक साल they're only working full time in at a role that is basically aligned with their program.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा. So ये तो बहुत बातें हो गई कि हमने what is Liverpool offering?
Yes.
You know, how do students get there? Now we need to come to the questions जो कि the students really want to hear about. And that is the main attractions of Liverpool, right?
Yes.
So of course हमारे पास Liverpool आपका football club है and the stadium. So how far is the stadium from the actual university?
It's actually just a walking distance away, and a lot of students come up to me at fairs and stuff, and their question is कि is it accessible जब अगर हम वहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं तो yes it is. A lot of our students also intern at
Okay, so that's
Liverpool FC.
possible. That's
It is
also
possible, yes.
Okay.
So we've got a lot of industry partners, and Liverpool FC appears to be one of them.
Okay,
So
that's
that is-
amazing.
yes.
और अगर आप लिवरपूल को describe करें, like let's not even like talk about the university right now as a city. So how would you describe it? Because we know कि वैसे तो आपने अभी बताया ना कि it's a port city. It's got a beach right next to it, and a very beautiful beach as well. So how would you describe the city?
It's very vibrant. There's always one thing or the other happening because it's rich in culture, it's rich in arts, music, and then sports, of course.
Yeah.
But also it's got a very welcoming vibe to it. I mean, even if you haven't been to Liverpool, but आपने सिर्फ उसको pictures में देखा है, तो it's got that warm, welcoming aura. But I think you can definitely count on the city to be your home away from home. It's got a bit of everything. Also, it's very multicultural and very rich in international student community. So
So that would probably be very supportive of the community
Yes.
as well, right? Obviously, अगर हम support की बात करें तो one major reason, or I wouldn't say reason, but the aspect of an international student moving away from home is कि उनकी mental health और well-being बहुत affect होती है. तो in that essence, I understand कि Liverpool तो बहुत like it's very multicultural and they are very accepting of international students as well. लेकिन in terms of the university, do they offer any mental health services or some sort of support जो कि आप international students को दे सको in terms of their mental or physical well-being?
yes, of course. Of course, it's a huge step. You're stepping away from your familiar surroundings, be it your family,
बिल्कुल.
friends, और आपका comfort zone छोड़ के आप जा रहे हो, तो of course it's a daunting, even the thought is very daunting. And yes, in light of that, we have a lot of mental health and also well-being support that we offer. We've got a 24/7 helpline available to ensure that help is available whenever it is needed. हम लोगों की regular workshops होती हैं, be it stress management या हमारे peer groups भी हैं,
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि also the academic structure it's so different from the one that we have here. वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी adjustment है उसमें adjust करना. तो we want to make sure कि students are on top of their game, और जो भी academic stress या in terms of the social फैक्टर्स के एकदम से चेंज होने की वजह से जो
बैरियर भी बन जाता है कभी कभी,
तो वो ताकि उसके साथ कोप कर सकें. We've got a 24/7 helpline and we've got an amazing student service team as well.
Yeah, that honestly that's very refreshing to hear, because it's always very very hard to leave your home behind to be able to study abroad. तो मतलब अगर पाकिस्तानी students are at University of Liverpool, and I can imagine काफ़ी ज़्यादा होंगे, तो उस हिसाब से what kind of societies can they expect when they go there?
We've got a huge range of societies. I think anything that I think of when I look it up, वो उस तरह की कोई society होती है. So we've got a Pakistani society as well, and then we've got an Islamic society, for example. आपकी South Asian societies हैं, and then sports में you name it, activities में baking, sports, etc. So we've got a bit of everything. And also अगर अभी भी इस लंबी लिस्ट में आपको अपनी पसंद की कोई सोसाइटी नहीं मिले, you can always make one of your own.
Okay, you can also make your own
Yes.
society. That's really nice, because अगर हम लाइक बात करें, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में यूजली पाकिस्तान सोसाइटी तो होती ही है, राइट, बट साउथ एशियन या इस्लामिक सोसाइटी आर स्टिल आई वुड से कि कम होती हैं यूनिवर्सिटीज़. सो विद दैट एस्पेक्ट इन माइंड, और रमदान जो आ रहा है कल, उसके हिसाब से आई फील लाइक कि पीपल और स्टूडेंट्स रियली नीड दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम देयर फेलो Muslim sisters and brothers as well.
Yes. Also, there even in terms of Liverpool as a city, there's so many mosques available. आपकी halal food options बहुत हैं. South Asian grocery stores हैं. So it's very well adept कि आपको वहाँ पे उस तरह की चीज़ों को you don't have to struggle to find all of those.
Right.
Or especially at a time like Ramadan when you बहुत ज़्यादा आपको FOMO,
बिल्कुल.
Ramadan back home होता है. तो you've got that community जिसमें आप you can feel at home and you
तो
can
आप
practice your
मतलब
faith.
बेसिकली दही भल्ले और फ्रूट चाय बना सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल for sure.
ठीक है, तो चिली मिली भी मिल जाएगी.
I am sure मिलती होगी.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's very nice. So, University of Liverpool की I'm sure just like any other university बहुत myths होती हैं, misconceptions होती हैं. There are rumors that are going around which are probably not true as well. So, ऐसी कोई myths या misconceptions जो आप debunk करना चाहें कि this is not true, this is not that hard as it seems?
Yeah, so one would be because of the Russell Group factor.
Yeah.
A lot of people just think of it as something that is not accessible.
Yeah.
And there's also this general misconception ke international education, but then Russell Group education is just for the wealthy. I mean, it is a big investment, लेकिन it's very doable अगर आप आपने स्कॉलरशिप्स को वेल रिसर्च किया हुआ है, आप अपनी वो वाली अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रॉपर्ली अवेल करते हैं, पार्ट टाइम वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रॉपर्ली अवेल करते हैं, देन यू प्लान योर फाइनेंसेस प्रॉपर्ली. तो इट्स नॉट दैट,
and I think it pays off very well as well.
Yes.
It's an investment in your education, but it does end up paying very well.
Yes. And on top of that, there's also this huge misconception that Liverpool is just football. I mean, football is a big part of Liverpool, but then there's a lot more, just like I previously mentioned, to the city. So it's overall just a very vibrant. I think it's got a bit of everything to offer.
That's what's one last question that I would really want you to answer truthfully, honestly, for all the students who are dreaming to study at University of Liverpool. Is there any advice that you would specifically give to a Pakistani student who's trying to get to University of Liverpool in terms of anything, like आपके courses हों, your academics, extracurriculars, statement, visa, anything?
So I'll start off by saying go for it. It seems like a very intimidating process, but once you get the gist of it, it's actually very doable. Up to itni support available hai. You can get people to take care of your application process, etc. as well. But then again, far-fetched idea लगता है जब आप उसके बारे में सोचते हो, but when you actually start doing it, so it's actually very doable. So I would say go for it, have faith in yourself, and also like international education. Yes, you get world-class education. Yes, it looks great on your resume, but then it brings about so much growth on a personal level as well, जो आप अपने सेफ स्पेस और अपने बबल में रह के नहीं कर सकते.
बिल्कुल.
So definitely give it a go because it's definitely going to be a life-changing experience. And if you make the decision of coming to Liverpool, for example, so just be sure that you'll end up making memories that you'll always fondly look
And
back.
I think कि सबसे बड़ा important factor why anybody chooses Russell Group is कि networking बहुत amazing होती है,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So you get so many different cultures and ethnicities all in one place. There are so many support groups available, networking opportunities available, different career fairs, and so much more that the university has to offer.
Also, yes, अक्सर यहाँ से students जाते हुए भी they're seeking very South Asian rich communities, which in a way is fine, but then when you're spending so much to fly oceans away
Yeah.
from home, then you should look for multicultural
बिल्कुल,
experiences,
बिल्कुल.
जहाँ पे you get exposure to all sorts of people, and there's so much to learn from people coming from different walks of life.
Absolutely.
So definitely give it a go.
Yeah. So that was it. That was our session and episode today. Thank you so much, Manahil, for joining us. Honestly, talking to you was very, very insightful because there are so many things जो मुझे आज खुद लिवरपूल के बारे में पता चली हैं, मुझे नहीं पता थी. I spent a year in the UK and I still did not know.
I'm really glad I could do that, Shabak, and I hope I could also help, debunk a few
Bilkul.
myths to the viewers
Yeah.
as well. But thank you for having me. It was lovely
It was
chatting with
such
you.
a pleasure. Thank you
Same
so
here.
much. Allah Hafiz.